Hello, this is my final project from Java 3 class. This is a quick presentation about the project and what it's doing and then what has been done. Um, First of all, this project is about the dental work, which is about dentist office. And actually, we have the database we have been given. It has appointment, dentist, patient, and procedures. So, yeah, to know this better is there are patients and then with all the information, and dentist with all the information, and then there's an appointment, which is appointments has some doctors, they have multiple appointments. So the way it's going to work on the other side, actually, I have created all my objects, which is appointment list, which is hold the list of the appointments for each dentist, and then there's appointments, which is for each patient, and there is dentist with all the information about dentist and patient. And also I have some servlets which to helping me to just build this project, and also as well as JSPs, which I have a dentist JSP, which is holding a it's actually for dentists and then appointments, and then all the other um, JSPs I have created, including index HTML. So we're going to go to our main page now, and then I'm going to start with patient account. So basically, when you log into patient account, you're going to pick one of the patients. Let's say we'll pick A901. And then the password is 9999. When you log in, we have actually, hello, Mr. Smith. And at this point, the user will see all the information and then have ability to look up for appointments. And also if user needs to change the information, which here says view manage information. Let's say the user got married, or let's say, we just changed the last name. We just changed it to Jackson. So once we do this, and then when you look up for appointment, then the appointment for this ID, patient ID, should change to Jackson, which we're going to just right now. As you see, actually the name changed. It's not going to change here until I just close and reopen the database, but this has changed. And then now, since user already has appointment, it shows the appointment that user has. And actually here it says which ID and then which appointment. User cannot make appointments, but he can change appointment. So if I hit and change make appointment, it's going to probably say this account already has appointment, which it says, there's an appointment. So, but if I change this, let's say I change this from 2019 to something so far away, 28. So, but it should accept this change, the change applied. So if we're going to just check this when I just use that, when I close it and reopen the database. Now let's just go check dentist. So dentist actually able to log in. We're going to go to dentist, and then dentist has ability to log in just like patient and validate their account. So I'm going to go with this one I already have here. The password is 12345. And I'm going to hit enter and then go to login. So basically it says Dr. Cassidy. So, and then the same way, user dentist can change the information and change if the information was changed, then they can just change the information on the system. So we can't just put a look appointment, but this is not just appointment. He's going to look for appointments because each doctor has different appointments with different patients. So when you click on this, you're going to get the list of appointments that this doctor has. And then if the doctor decides to change any of these appointments, then you can just change it over here and hit update. I'm going to go to one of the patients here, let's say 902. So let's go to patients. Let's go to appointments. So the patient 902. So I'm going to change actually this appointment for this person, which is 1 p.m. I'm going to make this like, let's say this person cannot come in until 2025. And then 3 p.m. And then we're going to just check this one quickly. So as soon as I hit update, it should say update made. So apply to this um, patient. And then also, I'm going to actually, before I go and check the database again, I'm going to actually go to log in with different user this time. So we'll see, because some doctors, they have more appointments. Like, go to appointments. Let's see which doctor has more appointments. It looked like D um, uh, 203 has more appointments. So let's go to actually 203, doctor 203. So and then the password is 99999. This should have probably more. Again, if this person looks, if this dentist looks for the appointment list, it should have more appointments. There you go. This one has actually four of them. So the same way, I mean, if you want to just go change it, you can do it. Let's just go check in what we did so far. Unfortunately, I have to just close the database and reopen it to see the changes. So you remember, we just changed it to 2025, which is actually, I mean, the changes was applied. So that is all about this patient login portal. And go back to patient, and then about the documentation, Java documentation. I'm going to drag this over here to show all these objects I created. So I have a few objects here, appointments, which it has all four normal database methods, which is delete method, which just says what's deleting, just deleting, one appointment, and then it's going to be every one of these methods. Insert says what it does, and then select DB, it says what it does, and then let's go check dentist. And dentist has the same methods, but if you go to every method, it just explains what that method does. The only thing here is different from other methods. It's appointment list, which this one has an array in it, which it holds the list of the appointments, which actually here it says appointment list. And then the latest patient, again, the same thing. And then actually we get all information about I mean, there's also, if user exists, this is conditional actually method, which is user exists, then it will just check to see if that patient or doctor exists on the database. So thank you so very much to just looking at my project, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.